Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you get new coupon codes for your Temu application or Temu website. So in this video is all about how can you find new coupon codes and working coupon codes that are genuine, and then you can use it on your Temu website. So I don't have Temu application right now, so I will just click on my Google Chrome here and open search bar. In search bar I will type new Temu coupon code and search it on my here. So let me just do that. And in previous videos I have told you a website that is very good for codes and etc. That is letimes.com. Click on that, and in Los Angeles time website you will see Temu coupon codes that is 10% coupon code, 20%, 15%, 13%. There is all type of coupons here. You just have to click on simply view coupon here and it will show you a coupon code. Just copy that and back to your Temu website on your mobile phone like this. I'll just go on the coupon option, paste that coupon here and apply it. So you can see the coupon is right now that is expired, but you can just check all the coupon one by one and use a coupon that is working. So that is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.